play it so I can just see myself in the camera, like adjust myself really quick.
You want some cool air?
Do you want some cool air? I know you're a little warm after all the wine.
Oh, well, I'm going back drinking on the jar. Don't forget your other little thing is here because you forgot the last time and it was on your desk.
I'm gonna have to bring it over here. Or lay it on top of it. Yeah. Hi divas and divos, this is your girl Nay. I'm back on my mother's channel, also known as Miss Muffin is my lovers. Today's video is sponsored by SHEIN. I'm coming in with another clothing SHEIN haul for the 2026 summer vibes. We're going in with the hot girl summer clothes. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I've got. Everything from descriptions of the items, all your discounts codes will be right in the description box below. I'm really excited to do this video again. So my first item that I'm going to start with is going to be this off-the-shoulder mini dress. It's cute. I just wish the bandeau-like style had a lot more support. Not really, I guess, big bustier friendly. I really don't have big boobs, but it just really wasn't the supportive top like I wanted it to be. So definitely recommend wearing a strapless bra or like a bandeau underneath if you really want that extra support. It's also really short. It comes up really high, so wear some spandex, or if you want to go commando and have everything out, okay, why not? Yeah, no, it's really short. It's not really big booty girl friendly. It's cute, but it's not something I would wear every now and then. I just really don't like showing a lot of skin too much, but it's cute though. I also do like the bell like flare sleeves. I've been really into like flared sleeves lately. I think they're just so cutesy and adorable. It's something about the flare sleeves just really complement the top or a dress. I really do like it. Same with flare bottoms. I love having flare leggings or flare jeans. I just always like the flare look. But it's cute, simple, like going out cocktail with your girl's dress. My next item is going to be this kind of like this mesh see-through top. It says Saint, but I don't know how much I live up to that word. Just a cute little over-the-top top, something to wear with my bikinis or something to wear for my raves. Yeah, just a basic mesh top. I thought it was cute. I was like, I could wear it to a couple shows, a couple festivals. I always have an item in mind for a festival. I'm always reusing my items. So this is cute. It's really short, but it's supposed to be like a mini crop top, so I like it. My next item is going to be this two-piece or this three-piece bikini set. I actually love this color on me. It's so complimenting on my skin tone. Something about the green and the gold together really goes so well. And then I also do love the skirt as well. The skirt is nice and long. There's no slits in it. It's a full coverage skirt, and I like that. I like that a lot. I love the color. I absolutely love it. And I also love the little design buckles that it came with as well. I feel like something like this always makes or breaks your like bikini. And then I paired it with this jewel top here. Super cute, like on a bikini. Once again, I bought this for a bikini or for my raves. I once again always try to reuse a bunch of different outfits or pieces in my closet. But yeah, I love this, y'all. This is really cute. I saw this and I was like, I'm putting this in the fucking cart. So, and then I would put it in the cart and I was like, I don't even know where I'm gonna wear this to. And then I was like, wait, I could wear it for my raves or on the beach, at a dinner, at a club. Like, you could mix and match this with however you want, like who cares? But just be careful when you take it out of the bag because it can get a little tangled. I got this in a size small, so when you happen to find this in the description box, just be mindful that these do range by size. It's not a one-size-fit-all item. So I got this in a size small and it fit perfectly. My next item is going to be this skirt. Y'all seen this on the channel already, but it was in jeans or pants. Yeah, I had those in pants and I couldn't fit them. I was swimming in them. They were too big, too long, too wide. I looked ridiculous. And I was like, this might look better on me in a skirt, and it looks a whole lot better on me in a skirt than it does in pants. It is a little see-through, just kind of. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell. It is just a little on the see-through side, but it's super cute. You could just pair this with a black corset, white corset, white top, black top, red top, orange top, whatever you want to pair it with. But yeah, I like this item. I like it better in the skirt than I do in the pant. Oh yeah, I didn't model the pants on the channel. They just look ridiculous on me. I look like Horton Hears a Who. My next piece is going to be this white bodysuit. You can never not have a bodysuit. I feel like every woman needs a bodysuit in their closet, whether it's white, black, nude, whatever color. Just because they go with everything. It's not really see-through. It's a little on the see-through side, so I do recommend wearing a like a nude bra or a black bra. But it's nice. I like the fit and the style of it. If it's really snug and if it's really comfy. The only thing I just sometimes hate about wearing a bodysuit is the buckling portion, the snapping. Sometimes I can get it to snap, sometimes I can't, and when I get it snapped, it snaps off. So I'm usually like under my legs. Like, that didn't look too good on camera. But it's usually a hassle to get it buckled. But yeah, super cute, just a basic white bodysuit. You could pair it with the skirt that I showed, or even just a pair of jeans, however you want to pair it. The next item I got was this corset. I've been really into the corset lately. This white corset here, just a basic white corset, and it also has lacing in the back as well. I just wish SHEIN would stop making their laces so long for their corsets. The string does not need to be like 5 feet tall or long. But yeah, I've been really into the corsets lately. I've been really liking how they snatch my waist, how they make me look smaller, and they just look really classy. Like, something about a corset is like classy but also really sexy. I like looking classy and sexy, so yeah. Just a basic white corset. Yeah, I like it. Love it. If you like it, I love it. So yeah. Next item, I'm sure you guys have seen these on all of the girlies, these sequin cheetah print shorts. I wasn't gonna get these because I was like, I'm not gonna hop on the bandwagon and get them because everyone's got them. But then I was like, I'm gonna get them because they're actually really cute and they sparkle really cute on camera. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. That is so cute. They are a little cheeky, so just be mindful if you are a little big in the back. That sounded wrong. Not big in the back. Like, if you have a big booty, they can be a little cheeky for you. The next item is going to be these like mesh black shorts. These are cute. I bought these before in a size small and they got super tight and they got small, and then I got these in a large and now they're too big. So I could have gotten a medium, but they would have been just fitting, so I decided to get a large. Just be mindful, they are very see-through. I'm sure you guys can see my head literally through the lace. Hello there, hi. Yeah, you can see my entire face through this probably. They're really see-through. And they also do have like tie openings here on the side. So just be mindful when you do go out. If you want to go commando, go ahead, make sure you wash. Or you could wear like a black thong or a nude thong or like a black G-string or a nude G-string, but not like underwear. I don't recommend wearing underwear that's like has a thick band or it's a bright color. Something definitely dark and thin. But they're cute. They're just really cheeky. But once again, if you like the cheeky look, that's for you. I'm probably going to save these for my raves, to be honest, because I just like having the short, like these kind of short style for my shows. So yeah. The next item is going to be this off-the-shoulder flare sleeve top. Once again, I've been really into like the flared sleeves. I really do like the bell-bottom like sleeve look. I've been really into that lately. It's also one-sided on the shoulder, so you can wear it however you want, like this way, or if you want to wear it this way. I love the off-the-shoulder looks too. I've been really into the off-the-shoulder lately. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's just a cute little ruffle knit shirt. Something simple to wear on a night out, or you're running some errands and you want to look comfy, but you also want to look chic and comfy. You know what I'm saying? But this is a little see-through too. So I recommend wearing, once again, like a black or a nude bra. My next item is going to be this bandeau like strapless top. I thought this was really cute. Just a basic white top. Can never have enough basic white top. And I also like the slits on the side, and it has a slit on both of the sides. It also does too have like a really like strong bandeau in there. I really do like the support in there, but I still recommend wearing a bandeau underneath, just because obviously this support is not going to be enough. But I have a little chest, so I really don't have to worry about big boob girl problems. But yeah, just cute. I probably would wear it with like a mini skirt or some jeans, however you want to pair it with. The jeans I paired it with, I actually really didn't like how I paired this white top with the red jeans. So I recommend pairing it with a little something else, not so much a flashy color, but you can wear it however you want. My last item is going to be these red flare jeans. Now, SHEIN doesn't know, I guess they don't know what pockets are, because there's no pockets in the back or the front of my jeans. Okay, where am I gonna hold my stuff? There's not even real pockets, y'all. They're fake pockets. So once again, be mindful when you are shopping for your jeans, because they don't have pockets sometimes, but they're cute. These are cute jeans. I really do like the color, and they do have a flare end as well, Really do like the flare end, and they have butterflies on them. They have a butterfly on the butt. I don't know if you guys can see that. They have a butterfly on the butt, and then they have butterflies on the legs. Like, it's super cute, guys. Like, when I model it, it looks super, when you model it and have it on, it looks so much better than it does, like, obviously laid out of the bag. But I really do like these, I really do like these jeans. I was a little iffy about getting them because I was in between sizes. I got a size 27, but I was really on the fence about getting these because jeans from SHEIN can be a hit or a miss. They're either too big and they're too baggy in the crotch, or they're too small. So these are really cute. They do have a little bit of stretch, but not a whole lot of stretch. You guys see that? They really don't have a lot of stretch, but these are super cute. These are probably my favorite pair of jeans from SHEIN, and I don't buy a lot of jeans from SHEIN. Jeans from SHEIN, jeans from SHEIN. That could be a tongue twister. Okay, honestly, my favorite items from the haul, definitely gonna have to go with my white corset and the bathing suit set with that jeweled top. Honestly, just the bathing suits, it's bikini season, y'all, so I'm always happy to get a new cute bathing suit. And just the color definitely complemented my body and just my skin tone all around. And love the skirt. I like a full coverage bikini. I don't like to have a lot out, especially when I'm in a bikini. Just like to have it modest, classy, and really still sexy, you know? My least favorite item, I'm probably gonna go with that black mini cocktail dress that I showed you guys in the beginning. Once again, it's not fit girl friendly, but if you want your booty and everything to be out, girl, that's on you. Just make sure you got panties on. I ain't got no panties on. You ain't got no panties on. I ain't got no panties on the dance floor. So make sure you have on some undies, girl, okay? Because everything will be out from top to bottom. But if that's how you like it, babe, then that's all you, girl. I'm not hating on that. Okay. I really liked all of my items from this haul. SHEIN has been doing their damn thing with the clothing, and I'm a SHEIN girl to the day I die. People say that it's cheap. I like cheap. You can buy something cheap and still make it look expensive. So do that what you will with that. But once again, thank you so much for having me, you guys. I am always so happy to come back and forth on my mom's channel when I can. But once again, this video has been fun. I always like modeling and doing clothing hauls for you guys, showing off my stuff, posing here and there. Once again, SHEIN, thank you so much for sending the clothes and always hooking your girl up with a cutesy hot closet. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate my mom for always bringing me the channel when she can. But thank you so much, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Maybe so, I don't know. We'll see. Toodaloo! It's really not stopping. That's okay, because we can sit here together. Just play.